Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, judge a book by its cover, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to form an opinion about someone or something based only on appearance. The employee was enjoying her first day in the new company until she came across her supervisor. She didn't get a good impression from him and asked her colleague about him. I don't know what to make of my supervisor. What do you think? Don't judge a book by its cover. Wait until you get to know him, and you'll see how nice he is. Here are some further examples, firstly in social situations. A group of friends are trying to arrange a date for their single friend. Don't judge a book by its cover. He's a really nice guy. Just give him a chance. The shop announced new cricket-shaped chocolate pieces on sale. The children were talking. I love the new chocolate, especially the creamy center. I thought it was a real cricket on the inside. Well, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. Many consider Babe Ruth to be the greatest baseball player of all time. I know he was great, but I heard he was obese. Is it true? Don't judge a book by its cover. He could really hit a ball. Now, here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. A man is recollecting about his career. If I had judged a book by its cover, I'd never have made it to where I am today. That first company put their faith in me, even though they were only a small firm. The interviewers clashed when choosing which candidate to employ. I don't think we should go with this guy. Honestly, I've seen him in action at a previous company. Don't judge a book by its cover. The company owners had a look at a new unit they were thinking of opening for business. Let's not judge a book by its cover. Come on inside and we can have a look around. Where did you hear the expression, judge a book by its cover? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.